Yeah, so I'm sitting on Facebook the other day, and my beautiful friend, she's from Arizona, she says to me, Miss Michelle, she says, "Hey, Miss Christine, can you do other voices?" And I think, well, why the fuck not? So, Miss Michelle, this is just for you. They call this a vlog. Like, it's not a blog, because blogs like got lots of words and shit. Now this is a vlog, short for video log, vlog. I mean, it sounds like I'm vomiting into the computer. Honey, what the fuck are you doing working as a waffle waitress? Is that how you spread your joy, your philosophy? Well, if that's what you choose, baby, I think you are fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. You should be the president of the fucking United States and the entire fucking American continent and Russia and the Middle East, because you got a lot of Middle Eastern friends. They love you because you are a belly dancer, belly dancer, belly do 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 do